Hey YouTube, what's going on? It's Drop a D here. Got a little update for you. I got my power center going on. Quick little rundown real quick. I got the reef octo, I got the Kessil controller, which is pretty cool. It's got a magnetic mount. Pulls out. I need to get some electrical tape on that connection. Got the Nero 5 controller, which I do not like the cord on top and the cord on bottom. I felt like it'd be a lot better if you had both cords on top. Original plan was to put this bad boy right up here where the Neptune sticker is. Kind of ruined my placement for the Kessil controller because I didn't realize the cord on top and bottom. I'm going to go ahead and fill this section in with a little Kessil sticker, little reef sticker I got. I installed the 832 energy bar on the back. Unfortunately, my Aquabus cables need to go up the wall, across the ceiling, and across behind this wall. I have a 15-foot and a 6-foot, Aquabus cable. One's a male-female, one's a male-male, and then the 6-footer came with the 832, which is a male-male. Fortunately, none of those are going to work or be long enough. I'm going to go ahead and purchase a 30-foot Aquabus cable and save these or post them up on the local forum for sale. I like to just have one connection. Some of the materials I used some Velcro for the Nero 5 controller. Had very little, no mounting options pretty much. I just put some Velcro on the back and put some on the stand. Reef Octo pump came with its own little mounting bracket. Still need to decide if I'm going to hook up the float switch or if I even need to hook up the float switch. Kessil controller, cool magnetic mount, very awesome. I also used some of these plastic clips. I had them laying around from an old build. And some little screws. This is going to be used for the Nero 5 cord right here on the top. Still not going to put it yet until I know the pump is kind of where I want it. Kind of like a MP10, you know, just in case the magnet fails and it drops. Hopefully that will catch it. I installed the 3152 Tunzi ATO. I just got the magnetic float switch in there. Still need to hook up the rest. It's in that bag. I picked it up used for a good price from a local reefer. I have a 3155 on my other tank, which is excellent. Never had a problem with it. The 3152 I've heard some mixed reviews about, but this is kind of a nano tank, so because of the deal I got on this, I just decided to go with 3152. Let's check out the back real quick. So this cord right here, I don't know if you guys can see it, is going to the Cobalt Neotherm heater, which is right there in the return section. The water level in there should stay the same constantly. It's actually got a dual sock, kind of overflows into the one sock, and then that overflows into the second sock. Here's the skimmer cord. I used a little bread ties that came with the equipment and just cut them up and just kind of simplified it. I like using bread ties over zip ties because you can easily remove them if you need to replace a cord or move a piece of equipment. I got the Kessil cords coming down, and all these connections, I don't know if you can see that, I left loose so that way they have some movability. Same with down here. I wasn't really trying to get them all tight and all wrapped together, just because I've learned from the past when you do that, something happens and then you got to unwrap everything, cut all the zip ties. It's just a pain in the butt. Everything down here is loose, easily removable. These little plastic things, if I had to, I could just snap them and they'll just pop right off. and then it serves more as a holder than a wire, I don't know, management container. I'm not exactly sure what to call it. Rambling. Here's the 832. It's kind of dark. As you can see, everything is plugged in so far. The only thing that's not plugged in here is the ATO, which still needs to be set up, and I'll have to probably use one of these 7 or 8 outlets and just delegate it as an ATO outlet. I got a couple power bricks installed up top. Everything does have drip loops, even though there is no water in this area. All the main cords are down low below, and the cords are coming up. It's got all those brand new bends from the new wire. I will be coming in here with the labeler, labeling each individual plug. I had to use my little cheat sheet that I made over there. It tells you which outlet is for what on the 832 Energy. So this is a quick rundown, guys. Getting kind of excited. Things left to do. Still need to screw these blocks in the back. I need to get a longer Aquabus cable to power the 832 Energy bar. Guessing about 30 feet. Need to pick up some dry rock. Let me know what you guys think I should go with. I'm thinking Marco dry rock. You know, with some flat bases. Tank is only 12 inches tall, so you gotta think I want to keep my scape about 5 to 6 inches from the top. So Marco dry rock, 2 little fishy stacks rock, or some Tonga branch if I could find some. If I did go with Tonga branch, I would do like a mangrove type dome, you know, where the roots come in. You know, maybe eat like an octopus, kind of sitting in there. I'm not sure. I've seen it's becoming harder and harder to acquire the Tonga branch. So I don't know, I thought maybe some Tonga branch would be cool just to make some unique rock structure. My last couple scapes have been pretty cool, but it seems like more and more people are going that way with the arches, and I like to do something a little bit different. Not exactly sure, but you guys let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll consider, let me know why too, why you would use that rock if you let me know. Still undetermined at this time, but we'll go ahead and call that a day on the video. Just wanted to share with you guys, let you know it is moving forward. Power box paint is dry. The install of equipment has happened. 832 is in. ATO is in. Need to get an ATO container, and real quick, show you the sock holders. There's the first sock. There's your first sock. There's the second sock. And there's the neotherm back there. The ATO container in this will not be used just because no matter how hard I tried to reseal it, it still leaks from here into here very slowly. But I am not using that section at all in the sump. So that's it for today, guys. I just want to sharing with you guys on where I'm at, and Michael Jackson. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Please comment if you guys got some comments. Let me know what you think about the rock. Still need to determine on what I'm going to do as far as scape wise and coral placement. I'm going to try to design the scape around the coral placement if I can, if I don't get too excited. I'm rambling again. Sorry, guys. This is about the 5th time I've made this video because I was rambling. But thanks for watching. If you have not subscribed, hit that subscribe button if you like what you see. Please comment. If you guys got something to say, let me know. Try to respond to you guys. Even if it's like, hey, COVID, even if it's something bad to say, I don't mind. I appreciate everyone's comments, and I'll try to respond if a response is required. We'll go ahead and call it that, and have a good day, guys. Thanks.